White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
My buddy Walt, barbecue buddy. He wanted to do a pastrami. Tell him what you did.
Basically, what we did here was a hot brine for a little bit and threw it in the fridge. And took about 12 days of rotating it once a day. Look at this beautiful pink piece of meat. My God, I cannot wait to eat this. There's no smell or anything when we open this up. Now we got this recipe from a barbecue joint in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Fetazal.
Oh yeah, shout out to Fetazal. We're about to season this up. It is time.
Thank you.
Are you ready for pastrami, Walt?
Now, one of the key ingredients that I've never even heard of prior to this was Prague powder number 1. And it's a pink curing salt. And that is where the color of the meat comes from and what keeps the bacteria from growing on the meat.
Which is obviously a key component to this process. We don't suggest you putting meat in water for 12 days without taking those steps.
It is not to be confused with Himalayan pink salt.
Definitely not Himalayan pink salt. Alright, so we got our pastrami mixture, and it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna pat it in. Do not rub it. That's a cardinal sin. And I could tell you just from feeling it, Walt, you done well on the brine. This is soft. Super soft.
Follow the recipe, course like sand.
We're gonna give that another 5 minutes to set in, flip it, do the other side. Alright, round 2. Look at the marbling in this. We're about to put that beautiful mixture on there. Look at this. Insane. Let's get it, brother. Alright guys, this is the dry brine. We're going to let that soak in for 10 minutes. Then we're going to fully wrap it, put it back in the fridge. And we'll see you on the Traeger. Ironwood 885 in the morning. It is going down. This is amazing. Let's go. Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bulls Barbecue, and today we're doing a brisket pastrami on the Traeger Ironwood 885. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell. You know the deal. Let's get into it. Damn! Alright, barbecue fam, we're up and at it early in the morning. We got super smoke on at 210. What do we have today? Pastrami, brisket pastrami, super layered up. Gonna be amazing. Let's go. So layered up, we lost some down there, but it's gonna be alright. We got this. PRAGUE on. Alright guys, we're at the 2-hour mark. Time to spritz this. Just water. Keep that moisture in there. Nice fine mist. Wow, this is gonna be amazing. Let's go. Guys, we're about 4.5–5 hours in on super smoke. Time to kick it to 250. This is gonna be amazing. Let's hit it with another spritz. Incredible. Alright guys, we're at the 5-hour mark. It's probing around 140, 135, 140. We just took it off super smoke at 225 and kicked it to 250, which is no longer super smoke. Looking good already. We're gonna keep spritzing it every hour. We're gonna let it do its thing. In the next 30 degrees from now until about 165, 170, that's where we wanna build our bark. Let's go. It's gonna be amazing. Alright guys, let's take a look at this pastrami. I'm pretty hyped. Ooh. Starting to turn. It smells incredible. Looks incredible too. Whoa. Time to spritz it. I will say this is my first time doing pastrami, and the crust is so thick that I could spritz it a lot more. That's definitely one thing that's different from a regular brisket. Look at this. Let's close her back up. We'll be back in an hour. This is the 9-hour mark. $185. I'm gonna wrap it. They say to go a little bit longer with pastrami until you wrap it because of this. Look how glorious that is. Let's get her wrapped up and get her on. Guys, remember 9 hours in, just wrapped it. It's around 185. We're going to about 202. Let's go. See you in about an hour. We'll give it a probe, probably take it off, give it a rest. As you can see guys, 10-hour mark, sitting at 187. I think we're about a half hour out. We're rolling at 250 on the Ironwood. We'll be back in an hour. Alright guys, as you can see, Right at 203, 204. That's perfect. Don't want to take it any farther than that. Now, the way that we're doing this a little different is we're going to tent this for about 5 minutes. I'm going to let the steam out, and then I'm going to rest it for 2 hours. Let's go. Put it in the can, bro. Nap time. See you in 2 hours. Time to cut this thing. Oh, man. Whoa. 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 Oh, man. I've never done one of these. Look at this. What a wild success before I even taste it. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Okay, let's finish this. Oh my God, guys. This is just unbelievable right now. Hold on, I gotta get you guys an even better look. Brisket pastrami for you. Hit that like and subscribe. Brine for 12 days. This is unbelievable right now. I've never done a pastrami, and I'm literally blown away by the appearance of this. And the smell, guys, is just literally majestic. Wow. Oh my God. Do you see that? Oh. X-rated. Cover the kids' eyes. This is not for the faint of heart. This is unbelievable, guys. Like, I am literally... Hold up. Guys, this is just straight up unreal. It's so tender. Do you realize that I'm literally cutting it with one hand? I mean, yes, this blade is very sharp. One of my favorite knives that Dow Strong makes. But I mean, it just doesn't, I can't even describe to you. Oh, man. This is just unbelievable. Look at this. Wow. Unreal. I literally have no words for how good this looks, and I cannot wait to taste it. I'm gonna finish cutting it. I'm gonna get a bunch of pictures, and then we will be back with more footage, guys. Let's go. The best damn barbecue ever. Hit that like and subscribe ASAP. Alright guys, so what you have here is an 11-hour smoked, 12-day brined brisket pastrami. It is majestic. It lives up to the name, and this was cooked literally perfectly. Look at that. So we're gonna slice the rest of it up. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Look at that, how could you not like and subscribe? We're gonna cut the rest of this up. So incredibly tender. Look at that.
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.